Hey everybody, it's Diana from Once Upon a Cruise. As you can see, we're on a cruise. We just got on the MSC Seaside. This is our very first time sailing with MSC, and we decided to splurge and we went with the Yacht Club. I didn't really film anything before this because it was so fast. I wasn't expecting it to be so quick. It was very different than other cruise lines we've been on. This is our first time with MSC. So I'm just gonna show you guys around the cabin. So this is kind of the seating area. This does fold out to a bed. Obviously the bedroom area, there's some storage here. There's these shelves here. We've got USB, these cool lights. They're on both sides. Or excuse me, the USB is not on both sides. We actually didn't know that, but there's more storage here. Let me flip you around. So this is the desk area, getting ready area. You got your TV. There's some more USB ports, and there's 2 plugs. We did a little bit of research before we got on. We just booked this cruise like a month ago. And we drove over from Tampa, where we live. Got your phone. Here's the mini bar. This is all included, y'all. This is all included. Kind of see. Ooh, de fruta. I'm Italian. My mom's from Italy, so I love that stuff. It's really good. I love Toblerone. Yeah, this is awesome, guys. This is so cool. So you're seeing this for the first time with me. Got your I'm sorry, this is super wobbly. You know my skills are not great. I'm a vacationer. I'm not a photographer. So you've got your safe. It's not very big. Boom. Looks like that's a brush for lint and stuff. And there's drawers, bathrobes. More storage down here. And then there's another closet here. Got your drink stuff. Ooh, mixed nuts. Here's the bathroom. There you go. Looks like there's some storage here. You've got your toiletry items. Looks like there's some storage down here. So this does, the lights are controlled by your card. You put it in here. And you have your room makeup thing. There's little lights and stuff to tell you to do not disturb or make up the room. And then you've got, obviously, your controls. I know, honey. So my husband knows me so well. My mom's from Italy, as I already mentioned, and I grew up with a lot of these things that are in the fridge. So it's kind of nice. I know, I saw.
De fruta.
Fruta. De fruta. My favorite. La favorita. Okay, so this is our cabin. Honey, what's the cabin number, please?
18039.
18039. I cannot remember that. One thing that we learned is that they do not put it on your card. There's like a mathematical equation you can do to figure out your room number. So I'm in a lot of trouble because I'm old, y'all. So we'll see how that goes. But here it is again, just real quick. Here's my smoke show. The check-in was like super easy. I'm super impressed. Here's the balcony. The door was super easy to open. It is covered, which is nice. We are in Port Canaveral. So I know I'm not doing the greatest here, guys, but this is a good sized balcony. The ship is, what we've seen of it so far is beautiful. It's very different, but I can't wait to explore the rest. I'll have to take some pictures and maybe take some more videos. But till then, I hope you all have a great day and happy cruising. club dining area. There's my smoke show. There's not a lot of people in here right now. It's in the morning, just to kind of show you all. It goes around. It's a pretty good size, but it's just for the yacht club members. And then it goes around to the other side. Not all the way around, but this is it. And then it overlooks the lounge. And there's a nice outdoor area. And then at night they have like almost like a happy hour type thing. And they have a piano player and they have hors d'oeuvres and things. It's just nice and quiet. I'm gonna spin you around. And what time is breakfast? It's like 7 to 9:30?
7 to 9.
7 to 9, sorry. Breakfast 7 to 9. And everybody's so nice. And they make you feel very special. So, there it is. Woo, spinning.